Video, I am going to show you how you can create shader effect on CapCut PC. As you can see, there is like this, and how you can create this effect. Just going to select your video and then just copy paste or select the first one and just going to split into some part like so, and then just going to transition and select bubble blur. So just put between the clip and just for the duration for 0.8 second and apply to all clips, and then just going to select the overlay. Just click cutout, select auto cutout, and you can see the result. Sorry, I'm going to okay. Just tap on the overlay and then go to basic, select model blend, just select overlay, and you can adjust for the opacity. So just make it 60%. You go. Okay, that's how to set an effect on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.